I brought this just to see what it tastes like. So it's called the chocolate Kunafa spread. This is the milk chocolate Kunafa spread from the Chamoy guys. I thought it would be a bit like Nutella or something like that, but it's not. It's actually got shredded Kunafa in it. Those crispy little strands that you get in the Middle Eastern desserts. This chocolate is proper milky and smooth. Listen to the crunch. Honestly, it's giving Ferrero Rocher energy, but a lot more indulgent. You could use this in pastries, you could use it in pancakes, or just for dipping in a good old strawberry. So who doesn't love strawberries and chocolate? I'll link it below for you, go give it a try.